Bring it. Win it.
I lie. I'm Mr. Walking is keeping it jiggy. With Nelly and Vice me. Let me know that boys ain't a lie. Them say what a we. But we tell them don't ask somebody, ask everybody. Don't spill your guts, spell it out. We don't take press. We just the own concept. It's a jiggy time again. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. A jiggy time again. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. A ready time again. Ready, 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 ready. A ready time again. Ready, ready, ready. Bust the place, bust the place. Everybody wanna just bust the place. Bust the place, bust the place. Follow Mr. Wacky and bust the place. Alright, summer bomb, summer bomb. Everybody wanna do the summer bomb.
Watch out.
Summer bomb, summer bomb. Follow boys here do the summer bomb. Alright, walk with the bomb, walk with the bomb. Follow boys here walk with the bomb. Walk with the bomb, walk with the bomb. Watch boys here walk with the bomb. Them a fan them off, them a box them off. Them a telephone, we a fax them off. Them a call down the rain for the girl them. Them a lightning and thunder.
Hey, she excited.
Get jiggy girl, get jiggy girl.
Get jiggy, girl. Get jiggy, girl.
Ready, 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 ready.
Boy.
Ready, 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 girl.
Sashel, you know the artist Lally. Me like him real bad.
My mouth, it can't slip. My face, it and the you see me, no boy riding. You wanna leave my name, girl, I speak. From man, the clear that road. Bad man, but I never go low. Tell them I talk to like this, you a show. Let me tell you a story, just this way, you know. I was a nightmare, sneaky feed. Rufus, now rush me. Keisha, the young man, well wanted. She promised a problem, I mean, you gonna need it. Guess what? I'm a SpongeBob thing. I'm a Scooby-Doo thing. Check up it, it's a Pikachu thing. Hey, girl, don't play, make your ball and sing. Guess what? You see my mouth, it can't slip. You see my face, internet. You see, no boy ride it. You wanna leave my name, girl, I speak. From man, the clean and grow. Lally, could I never go low. Talk them a talk, girl, and this you a show. Just broke your butt and touch your toe. Bad man, tip in a hit. Lally, tip in a hit. Jump on my bike, tip in a hit. Broke your butt and move your hit. Lally, tip in a hit. Photo skin, tip in a hit.
Hey, this is the 100% talent show right now, me I tell you. Hey, bring it. Win it. Hey, she have to win it, me I tell you. Hey, they see that brother there with same name, Space War. He better watch himself. Because remember, Jamaican there. Real Jamaican representative is here. So big up all scanters and everybody who enter the competition dancing. Hey, she's doing good. You know what I mean? Yes. Trust me. Keisha Las Vegas. What you think about that dance performance, that move a while ago? I mean, no, me have to respect her because she show some respect to the legendary Bogle. What you have to say about her performance?
I know I could not do it. But the effort that she put out and the energy that she had, I like that. It was so fun watching you. Very good. I love it. Let's continue. Loved it. Loved it.
Hey, turn up the rhythm. Wait, say, hold it.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
you know.
So, all right.
Nero.
So, for me, you know, it's the main fact that she just come out and do her thing and she even respond. She just do her thing. She enjoy herself. She hold her composure and she never shy. So, she have to go to the next round for me still. You understand? She have to go to the next round. Next round.
All right, so Sheneka, big up herself. She represent Portmore and the 100% talent show. Give it up for the dancer, the man. Bam, 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 bam.
Hi viewers, my name is Ian Bennett and I am the host of In the Hot Seat. If you like the video you just saw and would like to see more of the same type of video, please click the subscribe button and the like button as we produce videos every Wednesday. Thank you.